Little Lily lived in a sunny flower field. She had big brown eyes and a yellow smile. Every morning, birds sang sweet songs nearby. Lily picked colorful flowers for her mom. She found a shiny rock on the soft ground. A little rabbit hopped by her happy feet. Lily saw a big muddy puddle on path. She felt worried about getting dirty clothes. Her mom was waiting with a warm lunch. Lily jumped over puddle with closed eyes. She landed with a splash in the muddy water. Her yellow dress was now brown and dirty. A wise old owl sat on a tree branch. He said, "Look before you leap, little one." Lily smiled and felt happy again slowly. Lily looked before jumping over puddle now. She landed safely on the soft green grass. Her mom hugged her with a big warm smile. The moral of the story is, look before you leap.